Hello everyone, it's Kenneth again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do another DIY for Valentine's Day. But first, I wanna greet all of you a happy Valentine's Day. So let's begin doing this stuff. What we need is this one. It's kind of net, but it's tulle or a net. Okay, I'm gonna do something in here or in here. Since it's Valentine's Day, I'm gonna use red. Okay, either this one. This is a glass. I covered it with a gift wrapping paper. Okay, and this one is my pot. Thank God it's red. So I'm gonna use this Ferrero Rocher and this ball. It's a styrofoam ball and a chopstick. And I'm gonna use this squared paper. I already cut it with a mix of white and red. And also I'm gonna use the toothpick and the ribbons, red and white again, and lots of ribbons. I might need it. That's the tape. So I'm gonna grab one each of the Ferrero so I put it like this for now, and then this, the bottom one, do it like that.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush. Leaves are falling down, but at least they grow back. While I'm on a one-way track.
Guys, this is easy only. Okay, it's like you're just playing. You can do it. You just need patience. So again, this one is on top and this is the bottom, and the toothpick. Just do it like this. And should be straight, okay? And then put it here. It should be lined. Turn and put it here. No, in there. I'm just gonna put this for now in here, okay? So again, grab in the middle and do it like this. again, toothpick. And make it nicer. So guys, I've decided not to put anything on that because I don't want to ruin the beauty of this chocolate, so I just put it like that. And what I'm gonna do next to make it more nicer,
you're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall,
guys, here you go. This is the final touch of the Ferrero in the pot. It's like in the tree, a bonsai. So I'm just gonna wrap like this. Okay, and that's it. I used 40, supposed to be 48, but I ate 2 of them. I'm hungry. So yeah, now it's gonna be 46 pieces. Okay, so I made this kind of ribbon and put it like that, and for sure it's gonna excel. Oh my god, look at this. Isn't it nice? Guys, honestly, you can do this. It's easy. You know my technique, what I did a while ago, I put all the toothpick first, so it's easy for me to put all the chocolates, and then this tiny ribbons, I just roll it up and like this to make it more nicer. It's gonna come up while you're doing this. Look at me. This is not my decision a while ago, but look, as the time goes by, I decided to put it like this. There you go. So guys, that's all for now. I just want to say thank you to everybody and to all my subscribers. Please always support me, okay? I really appreciate it. And also I just want to greet all of you a happy Valentine's Day. Okay, share the love no matter what. Smile all the time. So God bless us all. Be safe all the time.
at the same time, feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always